when you say replenish, you have to flourish, you see. Hey! Boom black man, a Sizzla Kalonji man, not like a fire. I'm here for each and every one. Me I tell you say right over wrong, you see. I'm here for Emperor Selassie, the conquering lion, big up every black man and black woman. So you don't know, sir, I equal rights and justice. Away, 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 yo. I got the powers who me a super one good, that one good. The powers who me a super one good, that one good. That just the powers who me a super one good, that one good. Me love the gift to you, the master good. Hey, I just the powers who me a super one good, that one good. The powers who me a super one good, that one. I just the powers who me a super one good, that one. Black woman a one good. When me sing, yo, I eat this, a big things bust out. I eat this, see then get my out. I eat this, a big things bust out. Righteousness me a preserve. I eat this, a big things bust out. I eat this, Babylon get bust out. I eat this, a big things bust out. Tickle marijuana, I'm a smoke. Tell them say hell, blood down the jail. Why than a sleep, we a go block off the rail. Long time, they get so used to get bail. Marcus Garvey star right now for sale. Tell them say righteousness have to prevail. Black woman fresh and she never get stale. Link me to the phone, them a write me to the mail. Show me a the male and say a the female. Off of your eyes, take off the veil. Because the black people, them from up every deal. My bright like the sun and Kalonji no bail. Stop there, the picnic, look how you pull them up a wheel. So I say I'm dead, man, Babylon and the tail. Yeah, the Rasta man and them quail. Exhale, yo, I just the power to be a super one, good, a one, good. The power to be a super one, a one. I just the power to be a one, good, a one, good. Yo, they get a girl a one, good. What I'm saying, I hate this, a big things about out. Hate this, me a gun, then push out. I hate this, a big things about out. Judgment, yeah, got to judge. Hey, once again, praises and thanks again. Them attack, but a righteousness answer them. Rastafari, send me off to conquer them. Inna the lake of fire, me a anchor them. Them a talk about one the woman, me a dance again. I forgive her the something, and I'm a pants again. I for bring the black woman, and I'm a rent again. Yo, them must roll them a bunch again. Try to Europe for it, and France again. Yo, push up your hands again now. The powers of me super one, good, a one, good. The powers of me a super one, good, a one, good. The powers of me a super one. Yo, the powers of me a super, yo, a one, good. I eat this, a big things bust out. Eat this, eat then get bust out. Eat this, a big things bust out. Righteousness me a fish out. I eat this, a big things bust out. Yes, Baba. Yeah, man, Holy Manuel, I Selassie, Kalonji says so. So, them better make sure them come liberate the bar. Better make sure them come liberate the bar. We have come on the board more. Better make sure them come liberate the bar. Better make sure them come liberate the bar. Black woman, me say you're pure. Black people know everything long before. Babylon a cook, and me know that for sure. Just one year them take counsel in the parliament house. The poor people when them got leave out, and later on them want to sneak out. Who them secret go leak out? Down to the base and something them speak out. As some me see the vegan they weak out. Them burn gas station, them burn down the store, them burn police station, them burn courthouse. Yo, down to the prisoners a float out. So me see say Babylon city in a drought. Better make sure they repatriate the bar. Better make sure them come liberate the poor. Or else a beer stick eating a little more. Aye, better make sure you come redeem the poor. Better make sure me nation secure. Better make sure them come liberate the poor. Yo, education alone run the road. We need food and salvation, shoes and clothes, repatriation. Fully applause, people a walk up and down. Them a walk all about equal rights and justice. Me hear them a shout. Rastafari words that come from them mouth. Now I could not sleep, could I never snore. Beat and a beat and I couldn't ignore. The people of the revolution in a control. Bubble on the head will roll. Them better make sure they repatriate the bar. Better make sure them come liberate the poor. Or else a beer stick eating a little more. Aye, better make sure you come redeem the poor. Better make sure me nation secure. Better make sure them come liberate the poor. Them a show about the billions. Them no yet Selassie with them trillions. All them do is brutalize the civilians. But repatriation. Black people are the First Nation. Rastafari no deal with segregation. Teach the people the United Nations Declaration. Give the human rights for penetration. Them better make sure them come liberate the bar. Free up the bar, free up the bar. No better make sure you come free up the bar. The Emperor Selassie I some more. Better make sure them come liberate the bar. Better make sure black people see all. You better make sure.
So many cases of mistaken identity, false information perpetrated by society. Why all the youths coming out of the ghetto try to make a living, you put them on go slow. Now you issuing guns to the big every man, seeking for protection. You give some justice to the poor and the rich man wouldn't need a weapon. No, and then you try to deny when the innocent die, victim of your same gun. And then you turn around, put the blame on the liquid man. But live up if your heart clean, nobody mess it up. Give your heart to your kingdom. Live up if your heart clean, nobody mess it up. Better you use up your wisdom. Live up if your heart clean, show them the works of me, 'cause yeah. One man countenance brighten another, iron sharpen it iron. So don't you ever be afraid to deliver. Right is mightier than wrong. 'Cause in the time of the mark of the beast, when the whole of them a drink and feast, you may not even find some place to sleep, but your reward is in Zion. Your soldier will keep it your heart clean. Nobody mess it up. Render your heart to your kingdom. Live up with your heart clean. Nobody mess it up. Better you use up your wisdom. Live up with your heart clean. Show them the works of me, girls. It's been a long time. We a fight and a fuss. So much deception and so much mistrust. A long time we a fight and a fuss. Now is the time to live up. Live up with your heart clean. Nobody mess it up. Give your heart to your kingdom. Live up with your heart clean. Nobody mess it up. Better you use up your wisdom. Live up with your heart clean. Show them the works of freedom. So many cases of mistaken identity, false information perpetrated by society. Why all the youths coming out of the ghetto try to make a living, you put them on go slow. And now you issuing guns to the big every man for his protection. You give some justice to the poor and the rich man wouldn't need a weapon. I know they try to deny when the innocent die, victim of the same gun. And then you turn around and put the blame on the little man. But live up with your heart clean. Nobody mess it up. Give your heart to your kingdom. Live up with your heart.
Why? When it's my time. So you got to let me shine. Don't fight me down. No. When it's my time, it's not your time. So you got to let me shine. Don't fight me down. No. Sometimes we work so hard to earn a few things in life. Here comes Mr. Pop down, want to see us struggle in life. But I chew them no know. Who ja bless no man curse, and who ja curse, I know man bless, 'cause it's just my time, not your time. So you got to let me shine. Don't you fight me down. No. When it's my time, it's not your time. So you got to let me shine. Don't you fight me down. No. All the things you do will make you suffering in life. you plant a seed and it cannot grow, that means your hands and nature disagree. You need some blessing from the Almighty. Now it's my time, not your time, so you got to let me shine. Don't you fight me down. No, when it's my time, it's not your time, so you got to let me shine. Don't you fight me down. No. When the seed to sow, you don't see them around. Only when it's reaping time, you see them come along. Them must see things say, a superstar man get him gone, boy, oh. You got to work hard, my friend. Don't you play around, cause it's just my time, not your time, so you got to let me shine. Don't you fight him down. No, when it's your time, it's your time, so you got to shine. Yes. When it's my time, not your time, so you gotta let me shine.
Yo. Step over them, get over them, that are no problem. Step over them, get over them, and that a bother them. Step over them, get over them, that are no problem. Fire it and mad them. And the judgment fire me and declare me them no silence last is the Almighty I. I mean I saw this righteousness who can prophesy. Yo. Step over them, get over them, that are no problem. Step over them, get over them, and that a bother them. Step over them, get over them, that are no problem. Fire it and mad them. Yo, clean up, stay clean enough in dirty, yo. Clean up, bum nasty, bum mucky, yo. Clean up, stay clean enough in dirty. Righteousness, the youth what it could have known. Clean up, stay clean enough in dirty, boy. Clean up, bum nasty, bum smoky down. Clean up, down. Clean up, down. But you clean up yourself. Yo, yard for sweet clothes for wash house be cleaner. Heart a big grow, your locks black supreme. Me teach my principle and to me black queen. The less if we carry hiding. Take them from this world of sin and this world of machine. Bring them in at the nature cause them a human being. Eat air and water, land, sky and sea. Tell the cleanliness set you free. Black woman a dress royal just before she touch the street. Rastafari him of the lead. Provide for the nation all the things what they need. Good principle, oh don't forgive. Tell the youth wash them hands before them go eat. After every meal, them free brush them teeth. Big up black woman to she ever I need. Immaculate, them a go neat. Me tell the world free. Clean up, stay clean enough, you dirty up. Clean up, no nasty bum smoky up. Clean up, stay clean enough, you dirty. Cleanliness the people them know it. Tell you now. Clean up, stay clean enough, you dirty. Get your youths clean up, no nasty bum smoky down. Clean up, down. Clean up, down. Mr. Fi clean up your place. Tell you now, me a hail Rastafari name. No bout fi fortune and no bout fi fame. No for them nasty, me have burn them all the same. Righteousness of the domain. The woman say her window a curtain and her house want paint. Food fi her use, she no want them fi faint. She said Rastafari is the angel and the saint. To lead to last say she said change. Me say the woman them beard so often then so bring them change. Cleanliness of Rastafari, so get this in your brain. She wash out the hair and she clean up on the deer. Clean brassiere, clean dress and clean underwear and clean clothes. The woman and the picnic them are weird. Nasty people not fit disappear. Just to hold the empress and royal and the warrior and steer. You me say she will let you gear. You me gonna know. Clean up, stay clean, you know fi dirty down. Clean up, no nasty but smoky boy. Clean up, down. Clean up, down. House and boy them no shame. Who you say you Rastafari but not them corruption and dash with them and them exaltation. You know man say, yeah man, righteousness in the nation. Kalonji said, the mission accomplished, said so done. Mission accomplished, Babylon a mash down. Mission accomplished, said so done. The mission accomplished, Babylon a mash down. The man a name revenge. But not the Babylonian, no revenge. They got the Ethiopian, no revenge. Marijuana, me still a smoking on. Rastafari name me a promoting, no revenge. But not the Babylonian, no revenge. They got the Ethiopian, no revenge. Marijuana, me still a smoking on. Emmanuel name me a promoting. Boom. washes on. Cause I'm seeing me people in the middle oxygen. Fire take them then now them a go manage and black people born. Billy Callum them a Vatican. White House I see the black house attacking. All of them aeroplane the youth them start hijacking. Take where them ship out harbor when them docking. Revolution the road them all a blocking. But the tabernacle youth start to blocky. And the youth them in the ghetto was bread for the boy like now them sorry like them just now go crazy. And them youth is what the woman just do it bossy. And Rastafari don't will ever open anytime he go knocky. And what the boy degree you know for lucky. And innocent your blood stop splashy. And before you eat your food your hands you feel washy. And after fire me a dancey. And me a bun them in no business if them cashy. And yeah, revenge man out the Babylonian. Revenge me set to big up the Ethiopian. Revenge can't tell me a smoky. And repatriation promoting. Yeah, revenge man out the Babylonian. Revenge black people Ethiopian. Revenge so that's the name me a promoting. Marijuana still a smoking. Yo, music, yo, keep drumming too. I keep singing and humming too. Show over else a war it will be coming to. You kill the youth police warrior. What you think you're running to? Politician, yeah, we have done him too. Prime Minister Rastafari fire burn him too. The innocent youth blood a run a it. Rasta give the Sabbath tell them so come a it. Them crack and cocaine me no want none of it. We come from murder Babylon. For the fun of it to revenge. Put up the Babylonian. Revenge. Black people Ethiopian. Revenge. Rastafari name promoting. Yo, the ganja me a smoky and revenge. But now the Babylonian revenge. Selassie I Ethiopian. Revenge. Marijuana me still a smoky and righteousness me a promoting. Yo, see the whole of them mama can them a dear. Yes, Kalonji go and know your joy. For you know, Rastafari judgment declare. Hey, me a bill when them a destroy. Hey, Rasta not take no this from the boy. Lightning flash stomp and kick the boy. Big thunder roll them to disband the boy. But now them corruption that them got to employ. Revenge. But now the Babylonian revenge. We say to big up the Ethiopian. Revenge. Rasta near me a promoting. Golden Chalice me a blazing and a smoky and a revenge. But now the Babylonian revenge. Big up the Ethiopian. Revenge. Man a bomb down Rome. Yo, mission accomplished, so said so done. The mission accomplished, Babylon a mash down. Mission accomplished, so said so done. Aye, so said so done. The one ya go so revenge. But now the Babylonian revenge.
Such a wonderful feeling. Man and man uniting. Oh, what a good feeling. To see man and man uniting again. Oh, what a good feeling. No shot, no bus, and no stone, no fling. Oh, what a good feeling. No shot in a spine, and no shot in a head. Oh, what a good feeling. To see all nations uniting. It's better to have a good name than a bad name. Yeah. Cause in the time of trouble, you're gonna get it to you double. Some of them say sorrow better than laughter. Yes. For by the sadness of your continent, your heart will make stronger. All the labor of a man is for his mouth, and yet the appetite is not yet full. Oh, what a good feeling to see man and man uniting again. Oh, what a good feeling. No shot, no bus, and no stone, no fling. Oh, what a good feeling. No more shot in a spine, and no shot in a head. Oh, what a good feeling. To see all nations uniting. It's better to sit down and reason, cause everything have a season. If there is a problem, let's discuss it now. Yeah. There is an evil which I see under the sun. living among mankind, coming to destroy your soul. So you better be strong in your mind. Be wise and hold a firm meditation. Don't get caught in a them corruption. Just remember, love and hate could never be friends. Stick with love to the end. All the labor of a man is for his mouth, and yet the appetite is not yet full, boy. Oh, what a good feeling to see man and man uniting again. Oh, what a good feeling. No shot, no bust, and no stone, no fling. Time is drawing near for us to go where we belong. Time is drawing near for us to go where we belong. Hear what the Rasta man say now. No sinner cannot tempt the gate. Hear what the Aya man say now. No sinner cannot tempt the gate. Oh no, it is a glorious land, and I want to go land in Zion. So time is drawing near for us to go where we belong. Time is drawing near for us to go where we belong. One of these fine days, the train to Zion will come your way. Wicked people have feedback way. Clean hearts alone can come this way. We are step it out of Babylon, yarding into Mount Zion. We can't take no more frustration. We want to go home. Time is drawing near for us to go where we belong. Time is drawing near for us to go where we belong. Got to prepare for the Gideon. 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 They're bombing over here, they're bombing over there, polluting the atmosphere, leave the people living in fear. Time is drawing near for us to go where we belong.
Make a joyful night, make a joyful night. Israel, make a joyful night, make a joyful night, make a joyful night. Now don't you tell them no problem at all. Join me a hole when the rest of them are ball. No problem at all. Emperor Selassie he rule over all. No problem at all. He said dirty Babylon of give up all. No problem at all. Hey, I make music for a living. Let me begin, thanks and praises are given. I make music for a living. Let me begin, thanks and praises are given. Hey, chalice me a blaze and you smell it out. Music and play melody account. Yes, Selassie I name and you spell it out. The truth, little children I tell it out. Try to trick the youths up today, never rebel it out. Ethiopia, Africa, never sell it out. Fresh and clean, apparel it out. Love and reasoning and stop from quarrel it out. Yo, love it when you're living up well. Live your life and have your fun because I have to tell. From the dead you know you don't sell out to be a dumbbell. Selassie in the heavens, Babylon, them put up a hell, yo. Tell them out, Marcus, Emmanuel. Them side the king upon them need them fell. All teeth and tongue of go tell me say Kalonji full up a damn cell. Hear me now, no problem at all. Join me on wall when Babylon a fall. No problem at all. King Rastafari rule over all. No problem at all. Join me a wall when Babylon a fall. make a joyful noise, make a joyful noise. Hear the voice, hear me now. Make a joyful noise, make a joyful noise, make a joyful noise. Sizzla Kalonji tell you, no problem at all. Join me a bowl when the rest of them a ball. No problem at all. Yo, King David, you the riot and soul. No problem at all. Ethiopia, Africa stand tall. No problem at all. Okay, Kalonji tell you, keep going, words, powers and sound. Stay positive, remember always to your bounds, yo. Keep a smile on your face, put away your frown, oh yes, we all know blessing will abound. Much better when we unite, everyone will gather round. Remember, Emperor Selassie tell yourself, fear no army of the tongue. Fear and sing and little children dance. Here to the king, I have been the chance. Music is the healing force. This is what they want. Come on, let us kick on a balance. Yo, no problem at all. Join me, you bring when the rest of them are ball. No problem at all. Burn down the beach and we go dungeon fall. No problem. From prison, them a report me so curfew patrol, what I say no. Escape from prison, them a report me so burst through me sitting on all a glisten. Escape from prison, them a report me so curfew patrol, what I say no. Escape from prison, them a report me so curfew patrol, what I. Big up the youth, I go sound and up on Merlin. Black woman, me want to trad up on the Erland. To me, a man, me have to trad all of the Erland. Burn up a bell and fell 100 furlongs. I'm so dangerous, you take it easy. With them, so me notorious. Black woman, fell and show her them. That's the far I are greatest. I'm so them bad, them and them gun, them reason. Last for this, me get ready, I'm blasted here, temper. What's I know, them start rumble. To me, escape from prison, them a report me so earthquake, lightning, what I say no. Boom, escape from prison, them a report me so. Hey, yo, me set it straight. Teach them the knowledge, Rastafari, and that they get the youth them figuring. From the informer, cause them love brain train. Judgment, I go take the main. Yo, them say me full of blood stain. So them a bad man when I know that they ain't. Yo, me oxygen and wipe your blood like paint. Why should I never deceive most I sent? Take too much cocaine so them go faint. That's the man escape from prison, them a report me so. Curfew patrol, what I say no. Escape from prison, them a report me so. Yo, hey. Cause for too long now, they don't throw youths, them a suffer. For too long now, I bear foolishness, them utter. For too long now, them hide the truth, them all a stutter. Melt like butter, them a run down the gutter. Righteousness alone, it alone. Bring me through, yo. Escape from prison, them a report me so. Curfew patrol, what I see no. Boom, escape from prison, them a report me. Them a report me, yo. Hey. Watch them a confuse about that. Police in a blue, soldier in a camouflage. Hear them Selassie, I'm about me chalice and a charge me charge. Burn them up because them most a Rastafari, you're the earth creator. For them your song, your Kalonji's the narrator. You know sir, man I defend all the fight. Yeah, black people, but shoes I engage ya. Righteousness that they get to you, them right ya. Tell them show love and stop show hate ya. Righteousness in that they get us. Sizzla Kalonji is my right, yo. Yo, me free. Me escape from prison, them a report me so. Curfew patrol, what I see no. Yo, escape from prison, them a report me. Them a report me. Them a, yo. Big up the youth, August town and up on Berlin. Black woman, me want try up on the Erland. To me a man, me try pan the girl and burn up leg and fell 100 furlong. So dangerous to take it simple. Them some notorious. Black woman to smile and show her dimple. Hear them parrots and I say I may have it. Have me home and me no single, yo. So them a bad man looking at me nozzle and a tremble. So that them bad them and them gun resemble. The last boy this me pick up about a dozen rhyme. Damn blasted the temple. Boom, escape from prison. Them a report me miss. Curfew.
getting harder. Still we striving for better. And we not gonna stop till the battle is won and we get justice. Cause if you lose your stand, anyone will try to push you over. Over and over. Lift up your head and hold it up high. We know that we'll win the prize. Lift up your head and hold it up high. We know that we'll win the prize. Don't be discouraged by the pitfalls and their worries. Pain endure for one night, but joy cometh in the morning. And if you lose your soul, there's nothing to gain. It will be over. Over. Lift up your head and hold it up high. We know that we'll win the prize. Lift up your head and hold it up high. We know that we'll win the prize. Higher, we stepping higher. It's a ghetto people song, only them can sing this one. It's a song for the poor who's facing separation. It's a ghetto people song, only them can sing this one. It's a song for the poor who's facing separation. All around, stop down pressure. Why you only terrorize the poor, eluding the fact they are human, who one day will not take it anymore. Take it from your brother Everton blender. Now is the time for you to get stronger. Wise up, and temper your anger. It's a ghetto people song, only them can sing this song. It's a song for the poor who is facing separation. It's a ghetto people song, only them can sing this song. It's a song for the poor who is facing tribulation. Give a little, even a little. Just make it trickle, know who you give to. I'm talking to you, Mr. Fortunate One. Hey, do it in a hurry, or you'll be sorry. Others burden we must help to carry. Above and I everyone. Hey, get up people song, only them can sing this one. It's a song for the poor who is facing separation.
Money king of on the top of the seas and the service top of the flood. One block look. Planet Earth. Who govern it? Run go tell him a King Selassie I the first. Planet Earth. The only planet where carry rocks with some big tree in the dirt. Planet Earth. People stop you killing, you must be willing to do Selassie I work. Planet Earth. Mega Earth. And the black woman I give you birth. Shine your light, show your glory. Remember the Sabbath day to keep it holy. Shine your light, show your glory. Kalonji burn up our pagan story. Shine your light, show your glory. Remember the Sabbath day to keep it holy. Shine your light, show your glory. Rastafari burn up all Babylon story. Kalonji, keep your blessing on, teach the lesson and stay you work and you respond the 7. Psalms reading, you must get the level. Go a roll call and you must kill the devil. Repatriation, me want on the rebel. I send Naya Bingy, I send Webble. Bass, Funde, and me get the trouble. Yell King Selassie, are you dreadful and terrible? Why am me a bunny bun, uncle and chuckle? What you make me bust go lie at head with a pebble? Them ya lamb, ya no blame me, some ya lion and no speckle. Black man at the line, it's black woman, she a the vessel. Stop move, I've come on the natural level. Trick, now the water lost them where them can't second. Go on black people, none no can't test ya. King Selassie, I bless you. Shine your light, show your glory. Remember the Sabbath to keep it holy. Shine your light, show your glory. Kalonji up all Babylon story. Shine your light, show your glory. Remember the Sabbath day to keep it holy. Shine your light, show your glory. That's the man burn up all Babylon story. Every day, sun a shine and the river them a flow. People are singing at the breeze where you blow. Me woman a wash down a river. Farmer the flow. Bikini a swim while a ganja me a smoke. Up in the mountain, more marijuana me a grow. Up in the mountain me have me palace and the bigger than your house. Every day to the most I rejoice and shout. To Israelite we no fear nor doubt. Truth in a man like a river it goes out. Fire feel like it no feel out. Down in the valley, strictly vegetable with a soul. Right we a rise and you can't put we low. Then they get to you say them locks a big grow. Love come first you better know. Shine your light, show your glory. Remember the Sabbath day to keep it holy. Shine your light, show your glory. Now you bring the bun up all Babylon story. Shine your light, show your glory. Remember the Sabbath day to keep it holy. Shine your light, show your glory. That's the man bun up all wicked man story. Yo, planet Earth, planet Earth, planet Earth. Who govern? Wrong up tell them a King Selassie and the first planet Earth, planet Earth, planet Earth. Only planet where grow lots with big feet in the earth, planet Earth. Yes, a planet Earth. So me see some black people bless and a wicked man curse. Planet Earth, planet Earth, Earth. Black woman I see a give we birth. Keep shining the light, show your glory. Remember the Sabbath day to keep it holy. Shine your light, show your glory. That's a man a burn up all pagan story. Shine your light, show your glory. Children, the Sabbath keep it holy. Shine your light, show your glory. Yo, me a burn up all Babylon story. One word to the future, the youth and advance. For the bongo man, them man chant. Tell them say it's repatriation, the Rasta man want. Yo, feel we go home, go plant. Yo, wait for the African nation. Ethiopia, await its creator. No go up the poor people, riches and turn dictator for sake. In a corruption, them go turn big partaker. Me it's the Nazi, I cannot take
there's only love. Show more love, for Jah is love, and there's only the motherland. It's so beautiful. Take us to Africa, yeah. Ethiopia is so beautiful. Take us to Africa. Touch the fertile soil and the woman black, and the children smile and the woman clean, and the never do defile, and they all they dress in a fashion and style. And I trod the sea and I swim the river Nile, and the hail King Selassie I island. Now live at up and me no want live at Thailand. Go to Ethiopia, Africa, that is my land. Claims it all, me now for beg, me now buy land. I will never give away a continent for an island. People them pure and clean, good profile, and oh yeah, golden sunshine, wine. Show us love. But Jah is love, there's only love. So more love, a perfect love, and a one black love. The motherland is so beautiful. Take us to Africa, yeah. Ethiopia so beautiful. The ruling power is emperor. Hey. Children praise Rastafari, praise him with overstanding. Take you from the captivity and the bondage. To Israel has returned and million more safely landing. Me and the Ethiopia people corresponding. Yet King Selassie give thanks for life. Repatriate to the garden that life. The birds and the bees of creation, so nice human beings. Herbs and the fruit trees right, yeah. Show us love, for Jah is love. Let us all love, yeah. One black love, a perfect love. Hey, motherland is so beautiful. Take us to Africa, yeah. Ethiopia so beautiful. I wanna go to Africa. Kalonji, I tell you down. Selassie go before us, and just like what my ancestors have told us, keep singing these songs and chorus. The Most High will never dare ignore us. The motherland so beautiful. I wanna go to Africa. Ethiopia so beautiful. Repatriate to Africa. For us, Selassie, I lead lead the multitude, yeah. Children be humble, never you go rude, yeah. Sizzla Kalonji with the good attitude, yeah. He along the compilation tribe of Judah. Now I see the black people pure and clean, and the banner is red, gold and green. I hold a fresh down at the health and the healing swing. Them your people, them full of hygiene, yeah. Serve us love, and is love, a one black love, a perfect love. Xavier, you're Mascan. The motherland is so beautiful. Take us to Africa. Motherland is so beautiful. Take us to Africa.
Me don't gone no way. Blender still they are, teaching the youths them roots and culture. Me no gone no way. Blender still they are, chase with the wickeds and vampire. Me no gone no way. Blender still they are, out of me mouth wise words me a utter. No gone no way. Blender still they are, teaching the youths them roots and culture. In the business from 19 oh long, 15 years now I am still going strong. Ain't gonna change, I'll never be a switcher. You can count on me, Everton blender. Sometimes you see me putting up some posters, new talents I am trying to discover. Because I know the youth of the future. Help me chase these modern vultures. Blender still they are, teaching the youths them roots and culture. Me no gone no way. Blender still they are, chase with the wickeds and vampire. Me no gone no way. Blender still they are, out of me mouth wise words me a utter. No gone no way. Blender still they are, teaching the youths them roots and culture. Make a trot in a El Salvador. When me come forward, things wasn't like before. It's like them want put reggae to the floor. Bubaru, they a help it up once more. Yes, I know reggae expose them system. You can stay there with your ism and schism. This time around, we won't be your victim. Boy, oh, boy, oh. And we don't gone away. Blender still they are, teaching the youths them roots and culture. Me no gone no way. Blender still they are, chase for the wicked and vampire. Me no gone no way. Blender still they are, out of me mouth wise words me a utter. No gone no way. Blender still they are, teaching the youths them roots and culture. I have to give thanks to the Father. That's my request, I will never retire. To me he's like no other. That's why I praise him to be around much longer. Blender still they are, teaching the youths them roots and culture. Me no gone no way. Blender still they are, chase with the wickeds and vampire. Me no gone no way. Blender still they are, out of me mouth wise words me a utter. Gone no way. Blender still they are, teaching the youths them roots and culture. Got to give thanks to the Father. He's my shield and buckler. Without him there is no other. Oh no. That's why I have to praise him for the rest of my life. Strengthen this generation, oh Father, and your power to those who yet to come. Without you we are skin on top of a bone. In this world of confusion, this population has gone wrong. We got to sing a new song to guide us all day long. We got to praise ya for the rest of our days. Got to give thanks to the Father. Oh yeah, he's my shield and buckler. Without him there is no other. I have to praise him for the rest of my life. Once I couldn't afford a job to put food on my table. My life was still with ups and downs. Nothing was not stable. Then Jah walked into my life, turn my darkness into light. praise Him for the waste of my life. Oh Father, we give Thee thanks. Sometimes we do things we don't understand, but I know You forgive us. Show us the way, teach us the way, oh Jah, in this time forth and forevermore. Strengthen this generation, oh Father, and Your power to those who yet to come. Without You, we are skin on top of a bound. In this world of confusion, the Father, He's my shield and buckler. Without Jah there is no other. That's why I have to praise Him for the waste of my day. Got to give thanks to the Father. Okay. He's my shield and buckler.
Well, then you get cursed. And I told you no Mount Zion law. Keep up the same sort of work or else I wouldn't dare storm the world with righteousness. Call me girl, me African empress. Storm the world, calm the world with righteousness. Get a youth a bun homosex. Yes, calm the world with righteousness. Yo people come out of filthiness. Calm the world, storm the world with righteousness. A good woman to a man that are the best. Hey, I just my energy, woman I run down. So she want her daughter, so she want her son. Not just me energy, woman I run down. Whether in the rain or in the boiling sun, just my energy, woman I run down. Then you sound like empty drum. Yo, just my energy, make me black empress I come. Yo, never you neglect none. Me tell her what a minute she a go tell me say she nah. Tell her what a second she a go tell me say she can't. War rasta, natural jelly water, rasta cherry, rasta pine and rasta papa. Say she want a wealthy full up of water. Say she don't want no man fi follow la. Say she don't want no man come la. Black woman you smell so sweet you never raw. Then I want make the bugger them go blah. Chew them a toesy, chew them a tar. Them fill up a brosy and full her up a qua. When Bobo come everything get high. The woman have a pretty sting. Oh yes I saw. If me a go left the cleanliness you would know. If me a go love her, oh yes I know how she love mama miga. Energy woman a run down. Say she need her daughter, I forget her son. Me energy black woman a run down. Yo, she try to eat you up, yeah, she dey come and just me energy woman a run down. Whether in the rain or in the boiling sun, just me energy woman a run down. Hey, blessed lover, how loving you woman, it's so feeling fine. Woman give me love all the time. I rate her give me the woman, yes, as a sign. That mean me and the woman have to combine. You young man no go in a the wrong line. Fire go burn wrong company you join. From filthiness, me I tell you to resign. Look on the blessed woman, I rate her eyes sign. Oh, I tell her friend that she a mine. Yes, me love the woman, them binging a blind. Yo, on the woman, them I have to climb. Yo, remember this system, me make she come 21 time. I just me energy, she a run down. That's why Empress Margo get a little son, I just me energy woman a run down. Woman can't done. Tell you so me energy woman a run down. Whether in the rain or in the boiling sun, me gonna Jerusalem. And she said that she a come. Help me shine your drum. Yo, storm the world with righteousness. Call me girl, me call me woman. Me black empress. Calm the world. Better no more mess. Get a youth up on the homosex. Oh, you just me energy woman a run down. Tell me say she want her daughter and her son. Me energy. You want true love and prosperity, woman fi come. Yo, she sweet. Tell me how she smart. She ever go neat and she no carry tough off. Tell me say she love how me do it. That's why she a laugh pure joy me put in her heart. Tell me how she really full of love, royalty, and she love by so much. Yo, no, she a look and can't touch Rastafari. Come bless her up, I tell you now, storm the world with righteousness. Call me girl, as she first a bun homosex. Storm the world with righteousness. If
If me never got a woman, the children would not bless. Calm the world with righteousness. Calm the girl.
Yeah, man. We say give thanks for life for the black man, yeah, bird. You know what I say? So I forgive them the love, you know. Hey, and we have some blessings a woman in such a case. Just tell them some more cleanliness and more faith, you know. Wherefore nature keeps her pure and she knows how to keep herself, yeah. Cleanliness restore, black woman I'm always there. Oh, she's fresh like the flowers blooming and all its perfume to share, yeah. Yes, I'll make it so to give her all tender love and care, yeah. Kalonji give her the loving so kind. Her lights keep shining bright, yeah, wow. Black woman, you make love to me so fine. Makes me feel alright. Whoa, yo. Give her the loving so kind. Her lights keep shining bright. Wow. Black woman, you make love to me so fine. Makes me feel alright. There haven't been a moment that I regret, and all the time we spent together was so loving and perfect, yeah. So bring my son and daughter, and she's my ever blessed, yeah. Woman, you bring me comfort, and I'm so glad that we've met, yeah. Give her the loving so kind. Her lights keep shining bright, yeah. Oh, she make love to me so fine. This makes me feel alright. Oh yeah, boy. Oh, yo, give her the loving so kind. Her lights keep shining bright.
You said it would be better. You say it would be better if we stop seeing each other. If you had only met me first when you were free. Now you got commitments. I should not expect things from you that you can't give to me. Oh my baby, can't you see I can't say goodbye to you? No matter how I try, you're such a part of me. Without you, I would cry deep in the heart of me. I know that you and I were meant to be forever. I can't tell you goodbye. Neither of us planned that we would stand in love this way. But since it be, why should we be apart? Sometimes some things happen that could never be explained. But it's too late for me. I've already given you my love. I hope I can say goodbye to you. No matter how I try, you're such a part of me. Without you, I would cry deep in the heart of me. I know that you and I were meant to be forever. I can't tell you goodbye. Ding, 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 ding. Who knows why we choose when we choose the one you love? Who knows why we share the things together when we are in love? I know that you are a distant woman. You try to do your best, but how can I forget all those feelings we have shared? Can't say goodbye to you. No matter how I try, you're such a part of me. Without you, I would cry deep in the heart of me. I know that you and I were meant to be forever. I can't tell you goodbye. Yes, I can't. the things together when we are in love. I know that you are a distant woman. You try to do your best, but how can I forget all those feelings we have shared? I can't say goodbye to you, no matter how I try. You're such a part of me. Without you, I would cry deep in the heart of me. I know that you and I were meant to be forever or night. Oh, what to say? Some man said them name body. I'm a name is a good goody. Now go walking at them young passy. I rather hate his majesty. Some man said them name body. I'm a name is a good goody. Now go walking at them young passy. I rather hate his majesty. Some going around making mischief all over the place. Why can't you read the Psalms a day? Keeps the devil away. Some man say them name body. I'm a name is a good goody. Now go walking at them young passy. I rather hate his majesty. Some man say them name body. I'm a name is a good goody. Now go walking at them young passy. I rather hate his majesty. When the wicked foot slipping, there would be no mercy on him. On the stool where the wicked seated could never conquer the throne of the righteous. Some man said them name body. I'm a name is a good goody. Now go walking at them young passy. I rather hate his majesty. Some man said them name body. I'm a name is a good goody. Now go walking at them young passy. I rather hate his majesty. The wicked men gather themselves together to destroy the poor. Jah is our defender, he never fails. Jah is our protector. When the wicked come to eat up our flesh, let them stumble and fail. Whoa, I let them stumble and fail. Whoa. Some man said them name body. I'm a name is a good goody. Now go walking at them young passy. I rather hate his majesty. Some man said them name body. I'm a name is a good goody. Now go walking at them young passy. I rather hate his majesty.
I would never turn my back on you. My precious love coming straight at you. For all those beautiful things you've done. To compare with you, girl, there's none. We've been together. The birds are for feather, girl. Our love has no limit. For you, girl, I'll bring it. Hold me tight, make me yours. Love me right, come on, give me more. It's glowing bright. I want you for myself. You're the one I need, and no one else. For some special reasons, somehow we get connected. And all throughout the season, you're always well respected. Hold me tight, make me yours. Love me right, come on, give me more. It's glowing bright. I want you for myself. You're the one I need, and no one else. You've got virtues, you've got values. You're the woman in my life. And at no time I don't want us to argue with the suitors right. Yes. Yeah. For some special reasons, somehow we get connected. And all throughout the seasons, you're always well respected. Hold me tight, make me yours. Love me right, come on, give me more. It's glowing bright. I want you for myself. You're the one I need, and no one else. We've like birds of a feather, girl. All of us no leaving it. For you, girl, I'll bring it. Ask me tight, make me yours, love me right. Come on, give me more. It's glowing bright. I want you for myself. You're the one I need, and no one else. Or some special times. Every day living in the slow. But a Jaja put you through the test, 'cause he knew you gonna overcome. And the babies, they need food, they need clothes and shelter. So now you gotta make a move, because you wanna make better. When it seems like things get tough, there's a blessing on the way, never give it down. When the people suffer till they can't take no more, just the right time, Jaja, open the door. When it seems like things get tough, there's a blessing on the way, never give it down. When the people suffer till they can't take no more, just the right time, Jaja, open up the door. Hold strong, see the future, the good work will pay off. The earth is beneath you, don't fall asleep, I stay up. Hard work pays and we know, easy come, easy go. Your kids will stand out, in life there's no one's out. When it seems like things get tough, there's a blessing on the way, never give it down. When the people suffer till they can't take no more, just the right time, Jaja, open the door. When it seems like things get tough, there's a blessing on the way, never give it down. When the people suffer till they can't take no more, just the right time, Jaja, open up the door. Struggling doesn't mean you're to stop. BST when we reach to the top. Look out for gins and snares, backbiters are everywhere. Good work never go in vain. Oh, Jah is the people pain. Jah make it snappy, and when it comes, just be happy. When it seems like things get tough, there's a blessing on the way, never give it down. When the people suffer till they can't take no more, just the right time, Jaja, open the door. When it seems like things get tough, there's a blessing on the way, never give it down. When the people suffer till they can't take no more, just the right time, Jaja, open up the door. Yeah, you've been through a lot of stress, every day living in the slow, but a Jaja put you through the test, 'cause he knew you gonna overcome. And the babies, they need food, they need clothes and shelter. So now you gotta make a move, because you wanna make better. When it seems like things get tough, there's a blessing on the way, never give it down. When the people suffer till they can't take no more, just the right time, Jaja, open the door. When it seems like things get tough, there's a blessing on the way, never give it down. When the people suffer till they can't take no more, just the right time, Jaja, open the door. Me advertise it, them can't disguise it, Selassie I provided. Legalize it, Kalonji advertise it, them can't disguise it. Yo, Kalonji shout. Yes, I smoke the herbs and get high. Marijuana in my brain and Babylon can't come test ice. Yes, I smoke the herbs and get high. Marijuana in my brain, so none of them can't upset I. Oh, them a tell me about say no smoking. Well, from a marijuana, I say more smoking. The man make know them locks, me know what all is them smoking. Dash red the cracker, we know I no cooking. He'll King Selassie and burn all the poking. Serious, this is man not talking. God, make a earning that is no loving. Secret righteousness, Kalonji him promoting. That is about smoke a float, rest and hear my shouting. Me brace in and me going out and coming in. Me hear the king and me going out and coming in. Kalonji sing, oh yes, I smoke the herbs and get high. Marijuana in my brain, so none of them can't upset I. Why? Yes, I smoke the herbs and get, smoke the herbs and get. Okay, we are all Rastafari, that's who we are. Identify me now by my skin color. You know that I'm a star. I keep a priest lord. Just say enough we more. Ceaseless eyes is on the golden altar. Sicker than Salem Lord, my child is with the marijuana. The world most valuable plan, don't come destroy it, yeah. 16, 17,
What does it good for with you? All of these seeds from up on the planet are in my blood. Circulation can't feel nor call. Them ya Rasta man can't stall. Emperor Selassie, I know me a call. After all, yes, I smoke the herbs and get high. Marijuana in my brain, so none of them can molest I. Yes, I smoke the herbs and get high. Yes, I am a tell them. Legalize it and let me advertise it. Them can't disguise it, the Rasta earth provider. Legalize it and let me advertise it. The mother earth provide it. Kalonji, tell them again, Babylon, now come see it and you can't kill it out. Legalize it in the street, you better start killing it out. Rob the prisoner bar and treat me like I start killing it out. People blood police war me say stop killing it out. But rather make them use it, bring your love in the house. No selling out, not disunity, to the youth.
The goose, no God. Could the Maui, the heaven declare the glory of Jah, and the firmament show it is handiworks. Day unto day, uttered speak. Night unto night, gain it knowledge. To the Maui, the goose, no God. Where is that love we should be sharing? Where is the love we should be embracing? Get up every day, killing one another. When you know that it's not right in your side. To the Maui, the goose, no God. To the Maui, no goose, no God. See that now you're flapping, flipping and boring. You're playing the ball but you're not scoring. You got to do the thing that is right in Judge's sunlight. Yes, mankind, and you will see your light shine bright. Kadamawi, no goose, no God. Kadamawi, no goose, no God. Kadamawi, always on my way. Yes, and where is that love we should be shared? You'll make it if you try. Don't sit down there and sigh. We can make it if we try. Don't sit down there and cry. Put your shoulders to the wheel, and your goal you will achieve. That's the way to reach the top. I know that the time is rough. You know that the life is tough, but you can't afford to give up now. You'll make it if you try. Don't sit down there and sigh. We can make it if we'll try. Don't sit down there and cry. Some will try to make it, others will try to break it, but you can't afford to give up now. There are others who make it, while others come and take it. Just remember, lift up your head and hold it up high. You'll make it if you try. Don't sit down there and sigh. We can make it if we try. Don't sit down there and cry. Look into yourself, mankind. I know that you are not blind to see that the youth them are the future. Yes, we got to try your best, cause if it should come to the test, I know that Jack is able to do the rest. You'll make it if you try. Don't sit down there and sigh. We can make it if we try. Don't sit down there and cry. Put your shoulders
wanna be like those Rastaman. I want to sit up in the highest. I know my faith will keep me strong. I won't settle for less. Just wanna be like those Rastaman. I want to sit up in the highest. I'll keep my faith, don't care how long. I enjoy the test. We're traveling from country to country, making a physical trial, meeting and greeting people, some good, some bad. Have you ever stepped aside and observed how some people have some nerve, fighting against the pure in heart? I won't take part, just wanna be like those Rastaman. I want to sit up in the highest. I know my faith will keep me strong. I won't settle for less. Just wanna be like those Rastaman. I want to sit up in the highest. I'll keep my faith, don't care how long. I enjoy the test. Remember in the days of Noah, Jah bless us with a mighty shower. Sure the people didn't want to behave, only 8 of them him choose to save. The same Rasta man with disrespect, and the same man come fi move the chest. The ancient man in that time is the Rasta man in this time. Just wanna be like those Rasta man. I want to sit up in the highest. I know my faith will keep me strong. I won't settle for less. Just wanna be like those Rasta man. I want to sit up in the highest. I'll keep my faith, don't care how long. I enjoy the test. Just like those old Rastaman, Rastaman. Just like those old Rastaman, Rastaman. Just like
let me dollar show I certain things. I used to laugh still, but you don't know man if I come and live him live. I stand up and watch them. All the parents I make all the mute and go in a bubble on. Come see you now, then come look you now, friend. Right, they get to youth them homeless. Who is to be blamed? Question mark is their surname. Homeless, who bears their pain? From the mess I see them picking up them brains. Homeless, who is to be blamed? Question mark is their surname. Homeless, who bears their pain? From the mess, hey, bless up those who pray. Give thanks, many come and say still they read blank because of negligence. You're lowering their rank. I refute your statement. Where is the balance? House of falls of bent. I mean you haven't done a damn. We economical well tight. Who no yam left me in a nothing but devastation. And now you're gonna call another election when them homeless. Who is to be blamed? Question mark is that surname. Homeless, who bears the pain? From the mess I see you picking up your grains. Homeless, who is to be blamed? Question mark is my surname. Homeless, who bears their pain? From the mess, hey, what is it you can tell me when the stable's still lean? You keep rocking the boat, yo, you know what me mean. What's your reaction when they flip up on the screen? Say your police and your soldiers kill a community clean. Hey, there, your system to our pocket is a razor, so your money will trickle to you later. You don't help any, know why you design to suffer. Now you sell us out to please your ego. Booyah, me call upon the ghetto, you them to stay strong. Them don't have no title for the earth, only for the land. Still I see on the route, never attack it wrong. Don't refine your line, it's stand up black man, cause they get so you them homeless. Who is to be blamed? Question mark, is that surname? Homeless, who bears the pain? No, take black people figure I'm homeless. Who is to be blamed? Question mark, is that surname? Homeless, who bears the pain? From the mess, oh yes, I want to reach a no man, I tell you really soon. Africa be still cause I come where the nights are noon. My roof hold the sun, stars and moon. Oh yeah, what is it you got to groom and they get to use them homeless. Who is to be blamed? Question mark, is that surname? Homeless, who bears the pain? From the mess I see you picking up your grains. Homeless, who is to be blamed? Question mark, is the surname? Homeless, who bears the pain? From the mess, no stress, yo. Bless those who know Selassie, give thanks. Many come and say, still they read blank. Because of negligence, you lower the ghetto youth them rank. Refute your statement, give us a balance. Out of parliament, me say you haven't done a damn. The economical wealth of it, who none yam left we no nothing else but devastation. I know you wanna call another election when them homeless. Who is to be blamed? Question mark, is that surname? Homeless, who bears the pain? Now look from when them say them I go help with. From way back then, but they're just not interested. So many youths in the penitentiary. Crime and violence are lead to cemetery. Guns and bombs in the 21st century. World leaders giving a bad influence, yes. War and strife and mash up the country. Sell out everything and then they crash the currency, yeah. It's gonna cause a revolution. It's gonna cause a revolution. Only love is the solution. Only love is the solution. You see the fighting for a potion. Let's go in the ocean. Blood I go run like lotion. Blood I go run like lotion. The Babylon system ain't doing no good. Work every day but still we can't buy no food. Treat them bad, they go to war with a vengeance. Look how many young girls getting pregnant. Taxpayers pay where they 20 or sunny. Still the country train, what did you do with the money? And I just see my rights, you want come touch this. But you know not give me no justice. It's gonna cause a revolution. It's gonna cause a revolution. Because the love is the solution. Only love is the solution. So say the fighting for a potion. Let's go in the ocean. Blood I go run like lotion. Blood I go run like lotion. We work so hard, we're the poor and needy. Oh my Lord, just not easy, eh? Go to school, learn to read, my children. You fight us out, how can we feed our children? We speak the truth, so you're just not liking us. You steal the fruits, now you run, come hiding up. Righteousness kill the people. Cause every day Babylon kill the people. It's gonna cause a revolution. It's gonna cause a revolution. Only love is the solution. Only love is the solution.
I know there is greener grass on the other side of that mountain. I know once we get to cross that river, will reach the fountain, and we will get a cup of that cool, refreshing, nice water, and we will bless it up, pass it on to his son and we die. That's the only way we can share the knowledge and spread all the wisdom. It could never be one teaching the youths in my Father's kingdom. Who appears to hear will hear. Who have eyes will let them see. Who can hear them up we feel the strength and power of His Majesty. Holy, 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 holy. have is too plenty. We will see the light at the end of the darkest tunnel. We will set it wide so everyone can see it as well. That's the only way we can share all the knowledge and spread all the wisdom. It could never be wrong teaching the youths in my father's kingdom. Who have yet to hear will hear. Who have eyes, well let them see. Who can hear them up if feel the strength and power of His Majesty. Who have ears to hear will hear. Who have eyes, well let them see. Who can hear them up if feel the strength and power of His Majesty. I know there is greener grass on the other side of that mountain, and I know once we get across that river will reach the fountain, and we will get a cup of that cool, refreshing, nice water, and we will bless it up, pass it down to His Son and we daughter. That's the only way we can share all the knowledge and spread all the wisdom. It could never be wrong teaching the youths in my Father's kingdom.
Yes, we're stepping up stronger, coming harder, ain't looking back, feeling stronger, ready to launch the attack. Do you remember when we were the cream of the crop? They stole our Bible. At the carbon we got, they took us away from Africa with an intention to kill our culture. But through the power of the Most High, our mental capacity get wider. Come harder, ain't looking back, feeling stronger, ready to launch the attack. Do you remember when we were the cream of the crop? They stole our Bible. At the carbon we got, this is the time to live as His one. Help your brother man from out of the slum, it's no crime. If blood have to run, to liberate yourself you have to eliminate some. Coming harder, ain't looking back, feeling stronger, ready to launch the attack. Do you remember when we were the cream of the crop? They stole our Bible. At the carbon we got, emancipate your mind from slavery. I know one day Jah will set us free. Some have been brainwashed, got tricked easily, forget all their friends and their family. Coming harder, ain't looking back, feeling stronger, ready to launch the attack. Do you remember when we were the cream of the crop? They stole our Bible. At the carbon we got, they took us away from Africa with an intention to kill our culture. But through the power of the Most High, our mental capacity get wider. Emancipate your mind from slavery. I know one day Jah will set us free. Some have been brainwashed, got tricked easily, forget all their friends and their family. Coming harder, ain't looking back, feeling stronger, ready to launch the attack. Do you remember when we were the cream of the crop? They stole our Bible. At the carbon we got, this is the time to live by His word. Help your brother from out of the slum.
Guide I and I. How the youths them so cold, I hear gangsta roll, who know have it under clothes. Inna them and it a roll. Take what you say when you see them nah have no love. Them youth are different. Tribal war them a deal with, extorting the people, that's how they live. And them not take no talk. Everything them talk about you are freedom. Me I beg you hold your head straight. When you see them you no see them, because them young vampires no stop lean on the weak fence. Put up your guard, no left you defense. Ding 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 ding, bang ding ding boy ah oh. Ding 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 ding. Hey, how the youths them so cold. with a clue how house. Inna them and